Have you ever wanted to set fire to every planet and star because you're enraged with a galactic system of religious oppression? Well, if you did, you're in luck, because in my space fantasy universe, there's a place for you. It's called the Entropic Republic, the first of many, if the people who live there have a say in it. But they are fighting a war, a siege against the Harite Guard. And it's a secret siege, because the people in power don't want the rest of the universe to know that there's a planet of atheists who think that God doesn't exist. The maker doesn't exist, and you can just forget hard-earned experience and burn up the altars of memory. This is what's happening on a planet that was once called Melos, and it's a mining planet, a spent mining planet. There's not much more to mine there, so the community is pretty poor. It's right at the edge of the Harite galaxy, the densest in inhabitants of all three galaxies that comprise my universe. But this planet also must have something else that's special, because who could stand a fight with a galactic power for months? Well, that's something a lot of characters, especially merchants, ask in my book, because they have all the data on hand. How is it possible that there is an insurrection there and they still are able to fight and stay alive? Of course, they're not living that well, but they're following the words of preachers, new preachers, entropic preachers that rose from the public, from normal people, and that now have in their hands the fate of this planet and maybe the entire three galaxies.